Welcome back to the Miyagi course. In today's lesson, we'll explore how to use role and receiver in your prompts. But first, let's recap what we learned previously. We discussed how to make better requests by being clear and direct. Let's dive into today's content. Role receiver is an advanced prompting skill. It involves understanding that AI can take on specific roles and provide refined output based on who you are. This is useful for developing a better model of yourself and the world. Health is the foundation of life's success, happiness, and everything we do. Let's focus on health in today's prompts. Start with, list 3 possible diets to lose weight. Next, you are a nutritionist. Write me a diet plan to lose weight based on the Mediterranean diet. Then, you are a health and nutrition expert who was highly influenced by Dr. Michael Greger. I am a 38-year-old male who wants to lose weight and go from 90 kilograms to 75 kilograms. Give me a daily diet that lists the calories for each meal. Remember, context is key. Instead of using act like, assign a clear role, like you are a best-selling copywriter. This provides better, more relevant results based on the defined role. Practice these prompts and see how effectively using roles can enhance your requests. Did you know that over 74% of our viewers come back regularly but haven't yet subscribed? If my content has ever inspired you or added value to your life, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It's a small action that makes a huge difference. By subscribing, you help me bring in more fantastic guests and create even better content. Sounds good? Subscribe now and let's continue this journey together in the next video. Thank you for watching. All the prompts are listed below. Don't forget to check the description for a link to subscribe to my email list and get my free guide, which I update regularly to keep you informed with the latest tips. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to get prompt coaching to really enhance our prompting skills.